Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 3 ingredients that you need to make the best work that you can make. These things are your head, your hands, and your heart. You need your hands to work together with your head and your heart to create the best work that you can create. I've found over the last decade as I've been painting that if I loosen up, work quickly, make sure that I'm making painterly marks, lots of textural marks with my artwork, it gives me a different kind of feeling. It gives the artwork movement, it gives it expression, it gives it feeling and emotion. However, if your head or your mindset is not in the right place, it's going to show in your artwork. If you've ever tried to paint while you were sick, you probably know what I mean. And then there's also your heart. Putting your heart into your work will give you the results that you didn't even know were possible. Finding your style, finding your own way of creating, putting meaning behind those marks that you're creating is going to give you a beautiful painting, or an emotional painting, or the feeling that you are experiencing at the moment will come through in your artwork. So these 3 things, your hands, your head, and your heart, all need to work together. And this is what my new course, Painterly, is going to guide you through. All of these essential ingredients that you need to help you to create your best work. This course is open right now. We begin on September the 3rd, and it's only available once a year. I hope you'll consider joining me and begin creating your best work. See you next time. Bye.